Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities available for civil engineers. So totally we are going to see three different jobs. The first job is, the name of the company is Neelkanta Energy Private Limited. It's mainly based on the solar energy, and they are hiring fresher as well as experienced candidates. So urgently they are looking for civil engineers, and mainly in the area of water pipeline or overhead construction project at UP, Uttar Pradesh. So various requirements like project manager, 2 numbers are required, and civil engineers with 8 or 10 year experience can apply. Planning engineer, 2 numbers, civil or mechanical, experiences 5 to 10 years, and field civil engineer 6 numbers, and account assistant and experience required 2 to 5 years with a good Excel and Tally knowledge. Supervisor, it's 15 number, those who completed diploma or BTech, civil freshers or experience. So freshers can also apply, or though if you have 2 or 10 years experience means you can apply. So they will be providing the fooding and lodging in the company itself. Interested candidates can send your resume to this mail ID. Just make a note of this mail ID and you have to join immediately. So this is the first job. The next job is CTAS Aircon Private Limited. So it's a heat ventilation air conditioning sales and service company. They are also hiring urgently. So mainly HVAC planning training. Freshers can apply, or diploma or BE candidates can apply. If you have 0 to 1 year experience also you can apply. So salary they haven't said, it's as per the market standard, and preference will be knowledge in AutoCAD and head load calculation. An important thing is shortlisting candidates' resumes will be mainly from the southern part of India. That is, candidates who send your resumes from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh will be given first preference. So mail subject. So mail which you will be sending, right? The subject of the mail should be resume from southern region planning, like that. So application deadline is October 10. So make a note of it. Before that you have to apply for this job, and it's full time, and freshers can walk in for the interview. Salary is 8 to 12,000 per month. So COVID consideration, that is you have to vaccinated before joining. If you have any doubt means you can call this number and clarify everything, and you have to send your resumes to this mail ID, admin@ctasindia.com. So any clarification needed, just make a call to this number. The next company is Sakshi Pradhan. So it's in Lucknow. Actually, it will be a walk-in interview on Sunday, 26 September 2021. So those who are interested and those who are living in Lucknow can make use of it. So 3 category, that is engineer with 3 or 15 years experience, or 5 to 10 year experience, and 3 plus years experience. So it's in Lucknow. They have given the company address here. Make a note of it, and you have to be there by 9:30 onwards, and take everything, that is all relevant document and IDs with you. So those who are residing in Lucknow can make use of it. So in this video we saw 3 different jobs for civil engineers, and we will be constantly uploading videos regarding the job opportunities prevailing for civil engineers. So do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator and stay tuned with our channels. We will be bringing all the job opportunities to your doorsteps. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.